Welcome back guys. Today I will show you how to free disk space by deleting old SDK files. What happens is when you start using Android Studio, you will land up in downloading SDK files of different platforms, but many times you need not use the old SDKs which you have downloaded. So it takes a lot of disk space. You can delete these old SDKs and clean up the disk space. So today I will show you how to clean up your disk space by deleting this old platform SDKs and keep only the latest one or two SDK platforms in your Android Studio. Now open Android Studio, go to Tools menu. You can see the Tools menu at the top. Go to Tools menu and select SDK Manager. Now here you can see your SDK location and all the SDK platforms you have downloaded. I have downloaded 28, 29 and 30 partially and fully. So you can change the space requirement by optimizing the disk space and delete unwanted as decided by the Android Studio. Now you see I am going to the file location. So I'll go to library Android SDK and then platform images, system images, sorry. You can see there are three folders which have very big size 5 GB, 3 GB, 2 GB like this. You can delete the old ones and save that much of space because usually SDK platforms take a lot of space. So you can see inside you have different packages on the platform. So you can go to the folders and check what packages are installed partially or completely. So you go and select show package content. It will show the details of the every platform that is installed, detail of the packages. So if you don't want a package, you just click the check button at the side of the package, or if you don't want a complete platform, you want to delete a complete platform, so you can click the check button of the platform. So you have so many packages, the old platform packages. You want to just uncheck the check button, and it will show you are going to delete it, and you will save so much of space. So click OK and it will start deletion process. And you can see it will take some time and it will delete the package. Now if you go to the folder and check for the package content and folder content, you can see the folder is deleted. This is the safest way to delete. You can delete from the folder using Finder or Windows folder, but it is not safe. So it is better to delete from the SDK manager. So you can check what packages you don't want, and you can go to SDK manager and delete those packages accordingly. And you can clean up your SDK platform. Also SDK tools, you can select which tools you don't want. Sometimes some applications you don't want to use the SDK packages and tools, so those tools also you can select the checkbox and you can uncheck them and delete the tools. So you can see here, so just uncheck the check button and delete it. Also when you open a project, you can see which SDK platform the project is built on. So here in the build.gradle file, you go to the compiled version, and you can see target SDK version. You can change the project version, or later on also, whenever you want, you can download the platform SDK platform if it is in the old one. Please subscribe to my channel, and please give the comments, like and share. Thank you very much.